You know those channels that post Fruit Trigger Aero and video game music? Well, there's beef going on between two creators. Mian, a popular music playlist channel, has been accused by Fever Dream of stealing her playlists. When I first saw the post, I was disappointed that my favorite creator was a content thief. But then, on Mian's channel, there was a post accusing Fever Dream of stealing. I honestly don't know what side to pick, but for now I'm on Mian's side. Mian has stated that all cover pictures and thumbnails are edited by her. Fever Dream says that since she is a smaller creator, people are biased with Mian. And that might actually be true, I have to admit. Whose side are you on? Lexi bug out.